Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to mirror objects in Autocad software. So I'll open software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So the mirror command is available in the modify panel over here, this one. So currently we don't have anything on the screen. So I will draw some shapes, but before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So if the dynamic input option is on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So let us draw some shapes. So I'll create one rectangle and I'll create one line. So what I want to do is I want to mirror this rectangle about this line. Got it? So I'll come to the mirror command here. I click on it. Now it is asking select objects. So I'll select this rectangle using the window selection and I press the enter key. Now it is asking specify first point of mirror line. So now what we need to do is we have to draw one imaginary mirror line. So as a reference, I already drew this line here. So I will select the first point as this one itself as the first point for the mirror line, and now it is asking for specify second point for the mirror line. So I will click over here as the second point for the mirror line, and now it is asking do you want to erase the source object. So if you click on yes, you will end up with only the mirrored object. So this time I will click on yes. So we have only the mirrored object. This one here. Got it? So let us try the mirror command again. So I'll come to the mirror command. So it is asking now select the object. So I'll select this rectangle using window selection. Now press the enter key. Now it is asking specify first point of mirror line. So I'll click over here and now it is asking specify second point for the mirror line. So I will click over here. Now it is asking whether you want to erase the source object. So this time I'll click on no. So I'm having both the mirrored and the original object. Got it? Please note that this line is not necessary. I just drew that line for reference and for the easy understanding. Got it? So if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.